is Elisa from WTI, and I'm so excited to share with you today my laundry hamper from Use Superior that's multifunctional. Something I love about this laundry hamper from Use Superior is that first of all, it's 100% natural bamboo. It's also multifunctional. Once I received it, I started assembling it all alone without my husband's help. It took me about 30 minutes. You don't need any additional tools. It comes with the screws you need, and it comes with the little screwdriver you need as well. Once I was able to assemble it, I was really appreciating it because it's very sturdy. The bamboo material is very soft. I love the style it gives to my home. And also, I really like that the white bags are removable. So if you want to wash them, if they get dirty, you don't have to worry. You don't have to disassemble everything. It's pretty simple. Once I was able to put the drawers in, it was pretty exciting to see how simple and how smooth they really slide in. I love this bamboo laundry hamper. Really, my bathroom looked pretty sad prior to this. It looked pretty lonely, but now with this cute, unique, multifunctional, not only does it look cute, it's very, very useful, but it looks very stylish as well, and I love it. I highly recommend this laundry hamper from Use Superior. The size is perfect for a small bathroom. It makes it look so tidy and clean, and that is just my point of view.